Hi guys, so I know it's a little bit in the afternoon. I am prepping for dinner and it's like, actually, I think it's like a little up to 3. It's almost 3:30. So I'm going to make our salads for dinner. But I wanted to tell you guys, when we went the other day to grab a little breaky from the little deli down the street from our house, there was a gentleman there. He was trying to sell his product that I guess he makes, or that he does make. But these are 2 of the items that he had, and I told him let me buy and, you know, give it a try. But it's from TAY, so it's TAY-STE cups. So this one was like a peach cobbler. So it had like peaches, I guess like the cobbler, I don't know what they used for it, and then it had like crust to it and stuff. Very, very good. And then this one was like some kind of chocolate. It seemed like it had brownie in it, but I'm not for sure it was brownie crumbs. I'm not for sure what is in it. But anywho, I wanted to give a shout out to TAY-STE cups. TAY-STE cups. This is very, very good. I hope they make it and they're successful. Maybe try to look them up, give them a try, and taste it. But I have to say they were very delicious. I'm doing a little bit of time because I'm gained some weight and I gotta be careful. But I'm gonna go ahead. These are all my little tomatoes from my garden. And then these are our red peppers. These are spicy as hell. I can't eat them. My husband loves them. But I'm gonna make salad. I got some naan bread. I like to warm it up to have with the salad. I did make some chicken kebabs. They're in the toaster oven. They're cooking and heating up. So I'm gonna make the salad. I have. So this is what I picked this morning. Just gotta get these cleaned up, washed off, and they will go in our salad. I just want to share it with you. I'm gonna go and jump in the shower. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. So I have to run to the supermarket. I need to get some stuff so I can make my green smoothies. Just got out of the shower. Then I need to get back home. I need to definitely finish getting all these videos done, and I have to work on a little project that I have going on that I will let you guys know about when I'm ready to launch. Anyway, I'm going to finish the rest of my chores and get ready to run to the store. I need to take Sable May out to play a little bit. I guess I can turn a little light on here. I had to shut the blinds because it is going to be a super hot day today. So, what was I going to say? So that's basically it. I just got to take her out to play a little bit and burn off some of her energy. Then I'll come back and work on my stuff. We will continue this. Okay guys, so I'm back. I went to Aldi's and got my vegetables and fruit stuff to make my green smoothies. I had to stop at Stop and Shop to get a few things there too. I got me a matcha latte. I cut up some lemons. These will be so easy just to throw into water to drink throughout the day. Very refreshing. I got another bag, and these are like massive. Look how big these lemons are from Aldi. They're huge. But anyway, so I got a bunch of ginger. So I'm going to chop them up, put it in my little bags. Big bags. Here's my frozen bananas. I have more bananas here that I need to chop up and put in there. I got a bag of apples and a bag of oranges. I got some carrots. I'd like to chop them up and have them ready to snack on. They are it for you. I got a bunch of bags of kale. So all that's going on. I got a bunch of cucumbers as well. I can put cucumber slices in water. Also for my smoothie. So I'm gonna get started with my little project here. So just need to make sure that I wash all this good. So I like to have at least 5 bags ready. So you can just take them out from the freezer, throw them in the blender, and boom. Or you can just keep them in the refrigerator as well. are to put in water or to just simply snack on. Here's my lemons. Put in my water. Hi guys, good morning, happy Thursday. So I just went out, let the dogs out, and picked my little veggies. So I will show you what I picked. This is so exciting. So, got a bunch of the red peppers. I'm going to put it in the washer. Got a few jalapenos. And lots and lots of tomatoes. So I'm going to go jump in the shower, get dressed. I have to take this girl out to play and burn off some energy, and I have to get to work on my videos. Okay, I will check in a bit. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. Happy Friday. I'm not feeling too well today, so I'm just taking it easy a little bit. I'm going to finish editing videos and things and get those downloaded onto YouTube. So I'm just gonna make me a little breaky for now, and that's it. I'll follow up with you later. This is what I made this morning. This is my breakfast. I put a little bit of tomatoes, onions. I used coconut oil spray, bell peppers, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, onions, sliced jalapenos from my garden, and some cherry tomatoes. And then I also want, given they get all these, this is called spinning sandwich, kind of like bigger bread. But anyway, I'm going to take one of these, put them in the toaster, and sit down and eat. Talk to you in a bit.
think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this play. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Burns inside me. Burns inside me. Burns inside me. I won't let you down. We could have the world to ourselves, going to a place that's far, staring at the stars for hours.